What if the accident occurred on private property? Have you ever wondered what happens if you get into an accident on private property? It's a common concern, and understanding the details can help you navigate the situation smoothly. Car insurance generally covers accidents that take place on private property, but the specifics depend on your coverage type and the accident circumstances. Let's break it down. The two main types of coverage that come into play are liability insurance and collision insurance. Liability insurance is designed to cover damages or injuries you cause to others. This means if you accidentally damage someone else's property, like a fence or another vehicle, your liability coverage would step in to cover those costs, assuming you are found at fault. Now, what about your own vehicle? That's where collision insurance comes in. This type of coverage pays for damage to your car resulting from the accident, regardless of who is at fault. For example, if you hit a light post or another object on private property, your collision coverage would typically handle the repairs needed for your vehicle. In some states, like Florida, there are additional requirements. Drivers must carry personal injury protection and property damage liability. Personal injury protection covers medical expenses for you and your passengers, no matter who caused the accident. Property damage liability covers damage you cause to someone else's property. Florida operates under a no-fault system, meaning both parties can file claims with their own insurance companies, even if the accident occurred on private property. When an accident happens on private property, the claims process can become a bit tricky. Determining fault may not be as straightforward, especially if the accident occurs on private roads or in parking lots. To make the claims process easier, it is essential to document the accident thoroughly. Take clear photos of the scene, the vehicles involved, and gather witness information if possible. This documentation can support your insurance claim and help clarify the situation. If you find yourself facing disputes over fault or difficulties with the claims process, consulting a personal injury attorney might be a wise choice. They can help you navigate the complexities of your case and ensure you understand your rights. In summary, car insurance does cover accidents on private property through liability and collision coverage. However, knowing your specific policy details and properly documenting the incident are key steps to ensure a smooth claims process. So, the next time you think about car insurance, remember to ask your insurance provider about these important aspects to make sure you are well prepared.